Panauhing pandangal si GMA Network Chairman Attorney Felipe L. Gozon sa anibersaryo ng Central United Methodist Church. Naritong report.
Noong March 5, 1899, panahon ng mga Amerikano, itinayo ang kauna-unahang Protestant Church sa Pilipinas. Makalipas ang isang siglo, nakatindig pa rin ito dito sa TM Callao, Arngita, Maynila. Ito ang CUMC o Central United Methodist Church na nagdiwang ng kanilang 125th founding anniversary.
My parents were married in this church.
Kasama ni Atty. Gozon ang asawang si Teresa Gozon at mga anak na sina GMA Network SVP Atty. Annette Gozon Valdez, Dr. Marites Gozon Viterbo, Atty. Philip Gozon at kanilang mga asawa. Sa kanyang talumpati, ibinahagi ni Atty. Gozon ang pagkakatulad ng CUMC sa GMA Network.
We share with UCUMC the basic doctrines of our Christian faith and the values of integrity and stewardship. The first in our 7 core values is we place God above all. Through our GMA Kapuso Foundation, we have helped millions of Filipinos in need through our many projects.
Dito rin sa simbahang ito ginawaran si Atty. Gozon noong 2022 ng Honorary Degree of Doctor of Laws mula sa Wesleyan University of the Philippines. Ngayon, balik dito si Atty. Gozon matapos mapiling guest speaker dahil sa kanyang accomplishments.
Binigyang emphasis yung dugong metodista. Nag-bank ang ministerial team doon sa wisdom ng isang Atty. Gozon na napalago niya yung naging #1 ang GMA 7.
So I'm very proud at very honored.
Marjorie Padua, Balitang Southern Tagalog.